Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford GT versus the Corvette in a drag race. We'll explore what makes each of these American icons a formidable competitor on the strip. Get ready to dive into their unique strengths and see how they stack up when the lights drop. This comparison will highlight their engineering philosophies and on-track prowess. When it comes to raw power, both vehicles deliver. The Ford GT, with its twin-turbo V6, produces over 600 horsepower, launching it to impressive speeds. The Corvette, often featuring a naturally aspirated V8, can also exceed 650 horsepower in some variants. Both machines are capable of completing a quarter-mile in around 11 seconds, showcasing their incredible acceleration and engineering prowess. Beyond sheer power, how these cars handle is vital. The Ford GT's advanced aerodynamics and mid-engine layout contribute to its precise handling and stability at high speeds. The Corvette, with its balanced chassis and responsive steering, offers an agile driving experience. Ultimately, a skilled driver's ability to manage traction and execute perfect shifts significantly impacts drag race results for both of these high-performance vehicles. Considering value, the Ford GT is a true supercar, often priced well over $500,000, reflecting its exclusivity and advanced engineering. The Corvette, however, delivers incredible performance for a starting price around $70,000, making it an exceptional value. Both cars offer thrilling experiences, but cater to different budgets. For more great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.